Are you a teacher or a businessman and want to make educational or business presentation? So don't be worried. PowerPoint is the best option for you. What is a PowerPoint? It is a software to make presentations, for example, educational or business presentation. If you are a teacher, you can make your educational presentation with the help of PowerPoint. You can teach to your students like this. Or if you are a businessman, you can make your business presentation. So what are slides? Slides are area to place your content upon. For example, in this view, this is our slide and this is our content. So let me see the PowerPoint. First of all, we open the PowerPoint 2019. This is the first look as you open your PowerPoint. These are some templates for your slides and you can choose any template to make your presentation. So we open the blank presentation to understand the basics of PowerPoint. We press Ctrl plus A to select all the objects on our slide and delete it. Or we can also choose layout as blank. So this is a slide and this is area where slides are kept. First of all, we see what are tabs. These labels on the upper side of the PowerPoint are called tabs. And this is called ribbon. With the help of tab, you can switch to a different control. For example, if you want to insert something like shapes, table, pictures, you can switch to insert tab. I insert a shape, go to shape options and draw a shape on my slide. So this is how insert tab works. So first of all, we study these tabs one by one. The first tab is File tab. With the help of File tab, you can save your presentation, or pressing on Account option, you can see the information of your product and change the theme. So I have Office product activated Professional Plus 2019. I choose the colorful theme and again we go to the Home tab. In the Home tab, there is an option to insert a slide. These are different layout of slides. You can insert any slide. For example, I insert a slide on text only. So I can write text here as a title. So this is how slides are inserted in PowerPoint. If your previous slide is full of content, you can insert a new one slide. And also can change the layout of the slide from here. You can also insert a text box from Home tab. You write text. So these options are available for us now. It is clear that these are text formatting options, and we can change the look of our text using these options. So first of all, this option is used to change our fonts. The second option is bold. You can make your text bold or italic with the help of these buttons. You can make your text underline or strike through. So I undo all changes. From here, you can increase your text size or decrease. So you can change the spacing between the text from here. If you want to highlight your text, this option can be used to highlight your text. Or if you want to change the color of your text, you can change it from here. So this is a text box. This is alignment. To align its center, we press on the alignment center. To align it to the left of the text box, we press align right. So this button is used to change the text direction. Because our text is aligned in center, so it will be sent in the center from both sides. You can insert bullets. How bullets works? For example, I have written the PowerPoint, and as I press enter to add a new line, a bullet will be added automatically. So this is how bullets work. You can also add the numbering if you have a list of some items. You can also insert the shapes from the Home tab. Change the shape fill from here. You can change a shape outline or select some shape effects. 3D rotation, the reflection for the shape, and choose a preset for the shape. You can make the edges soft. So this was all about the Home tab. We go to Insert tab. Here you can also find the option of Insert Slide, which we have discussed earlier. To insert table to your presentation, you go to Insert Table. You can place your data in the cells of the table. For example, I place a record. So you can insert table from Insert tab. If you want to insert picture from gallery, click on picture and import a picture. For example, I import this screenshot. You can change the style of your picture from here quickly. So this style I like the most. Wonderful. We go to the Insert tab. Note that in the Format option, in the last of all tabs, you can format your picture or anything you have selected. For example, I click on the table, and in the table tools, I can design it or change a layout. So we go to the Insert tab. You can also insert shapes from here. As you insert a shape, it will move to a Format tab. Here you can select Shape Fill and format the shape you want. Okay, we go to Insert tab now. In the PowerPoint 2019, there is an option to insert 3D models. If you are a 3D builder, you can insert 3D shapes to your PowerPoint presentation. For example, I select this hexagon. So I delete all the objects by selecting and pressing the delete. So now this 3D shape can be rotated in 360 direction. Amazing. So if you want to add some 3D shapes to your presentation, so it is easier to build a 3D shape and add it to your presentation. You can format it from here. If you want to animate your 3D model, you can animate it. Note that the animations of the 3D models are different from the other animations. It will be discussed in the further. So we place our 3D shape here and go to the Insert tab. You can also insert some art. These are some built-in designs. For example, we want to show a cycle, so we can insert a smart art of cycle process. So we write here the first step, the second, and the third, and fourth, and fifth. You can write the name of your steps here, so it shows a cyclic process. You can also change the style of these cycles. Beautiful. These are some quick styles. Amazing. Wonderful. So this is how smart art can be added to your PowerPoint presentation. You can also insert a chart in your PowerPoint presentation. You can zoom your slide. For example, I am on the slide 1 and I want to access slide 2 on slide 1. I change the font size so that I can see easily. Select the text and change the font color and highlight it. So I go to the first slide and drag my slide to first slide. I go to format option. If I want to zoom just the text of the second slide, I will click on zoom background and I will click on return to zoom. So here we can see our slideshow. Whenever I click on PowerPoint, it will zoom, and whenever I click again, it will zoom out. Amazing. So the next animation will appear as I click again. I click again on PowerPoint, it will zoom. I click again, it will zoom out. Wonderful. So this was our slideshow. You can record this slideshow as a video. So we go to the Insert tab and see how word art works. We insert a slide and go to word art. If you want to add some text beautifully designed, you can go to select the text box and change the font size. So this is how word art works. So the next option is I insert a new slide from here and go to the next option. Just click on the equation and you can write mathematics here. For example, if you want to write a fraction, click on it, change the font size, and select the box on the upper side. Write something here. For example, I write 2x. Select the box in the lower side, or 5. So this is how mathematics can be written in the PowerPoint. In future, I will make some videos on the mathematics, on how we can write mathematics in PowerPoint. So please subscribe to my channel to see all of my videos. You can also write mathematics here. So insert it, just see how it works. Beautiful. So you can write mathematical problems easily in PowerPoint. So let's take a look. You can insert trigonometric functions, limits, log, sum operators, matrix, log operators, integrals, or radicals, or scripts. So this will be discussed in the further videos. So we go to the insert tab and go on video. If you have video on your PC, you can insert it from here. If you want to insert an audio in your presentation, you can insert from here. So we are going to discuss an amazing feature of PowerPoint, which is built-in screen recorder. If you want to record your screen, go to the record screen and select an area. For example, I select whole screen and click on record. So it will record my all screen. I can stop it from here, or by pressing Windows logo key, Shift plus Q. So I go to this PC, I stop it by pressing Windows logo key, Shift plus Q. So it will be inserted on our slide. You can play it from here. I can stop it from here, or by pressing Windows logo key. So if you want to save your screen recording as a video, you can left click on it, click on Save Media As, and choose a location where you want to save it, and click on Save. So this video will be saved on our desktop. You can see it here. I can stop it from here. Amazing built-in video recorder. Shift plus Q. So this was all about insert tab. You can change the shape of your video from here. Beautiful. So we delete our video and go to the design tab. If you want to design your slides, you can design it from here. These are some beautiful designs. You can make your own design clicking on Format Background. For example, if I want to fill it solid, I go to the solid fill and choose the layout blank. I choose a color for my slide. Or if I want to fill it gradient, I go to the gradient fill. From here, I can choose whether I want to fill it linear or radial. So my favorite gradient is radial. I fill some colors, so see. Wow, amazing. How beautiful looks like our slide. See, you can make your own background for your slide like this. So I will make some more videos on formatting the slide background. You can choose your slide size from here. If you want to choose standard slide size, you can choose it from here. But the widescreen slide size is recommended. So we close the format background view and go to the next tab, transitions. So what are transitions? If you are changing your slide and want to let the viewers know that you have changed your slide, you can apply transition. For example, I apply transition fracture. So the previous slide will fracture and the next slide will appear. So these are some transitions. Look. Beautiful and amazing transitions. So the transition tells us the change in the slide. So the next tab is animations. So what are animations? Animations animate your text, objects, or something else you insert on your slide. For example, I selected this text and I want to make it appear as a zoom. Wonderful. Ground and grow and turn, random bars, or swirl. So it will swirl or zoom whenever I click on it. I apply a transition to the slide. So we go to the slide view from here. So the PowerPoint text comes whenever I click. So our slide has been ended. The next tab is slideshow. You can record your slideshow from here if you want to make video in your PowerPoint. Click on record from beginning. If you don't want to record your audio, you can turn off your microphone. Or if you want to record it, so click on microphone. If you want to turn on your camera, you can select it from here. Select record and just press these options. The next animated object will appear. So I click on it. My 3D object appeared. I click on it. Then transition effect appear and the next PowerPoint appear. So you can give your own timing to an object on your slide. Click on it again. My next slide appears and click on it again. So this is how you can record your slideshow. The slideshow has now been recorded and my audio already has been recorded. To play this audio, so if you want to save your slideshow as a video, you can click on save as, choose a location and save it as MP4. Click on save. So your video is being saved now. Okay friends, I will recommend you to subscribe my channel if you want to make your presentations as beautiful as this. This all is made by PowerPoint. So please subscribe my channel. I will make videos in future on these topics. So we see our video exported on desktop. We can stop it. This is our video. Note that as we click on the next object, the same timing has been recorded. So this is our final slideshow and you can present it on. So guys, this is all about PowerPoint. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that I can make some amazing presentations for you. Thanks for watching.